Hello everyone, in this class we'll be discussing about the stock types in SAP MM. Actually we have seen that there are different types of materials will be there. Like we have seen the material types like ROH, after that finished goods, semi-finished goods. They are different thing, okay? I am just discussing about the stock types over here. Basically in SAP, whenever we are considering, there are three different stock types will be coming across. I'll just write it down here. Stock types. Generally we'll going to, or broadly we'll going to classify the stock types into three different categories. One is the valuated stocks. Second is non-valuated stock, and third is special stocks. Here first thing, what is this valuated stock, and why the name valuated stock or valuated is given to this particular stock, valuated. So whenever we're going to do some activity with these stocks, okay, so that time the accounting entries will going to hit. We have already discussed about the accounting entries after the GR and after the IR. So these are the stock when you will going to move these stocks into the company or out of the company, some accounting entries will going to hit. Okay, so that is why these all stocks will going to call as the valuated stocks. Okay, and these valuated stocks further classified into unrestricted stocks, quality inspection stock, and third one is blocked stock. And another is there scrap, but most of the time will be use that scrap into this blocked stock only. So they are available whenever you will be taking the valuated stock. That time we will going to take these three examples, okay, unrestricted, quality and blocked stock, and where you will going to see these things, and whenever you will be receiving the goods, how the goods are, where the raw materials are, whatever the goods you are receiving, whether they are available in the unrestricted stock or quality or blocked, how we will going to identify. Okay, we'll just jump into the SAP screen. First we'll going to look into the valuated stock, then we'll further move to the non-valuated and all. Okay, so now I'll just take this as an example, and I'll just moving into the SAP screen here. We'll create one more material. Okay, for that material we can just go through the how one can able to see these stocks and proceed further. Okay, ours is LT01 raw material. Okay, I'll just create one more raw material here. Plant is LT01, storage location is LT01. Click enter. I'll just give one name here, raw material 2. Okay, and base unit of measure I'll take pieces, anything it is possible, means you can take it. I'll just take general and proceed further. I am not telling about this material master now, I have already covered it. Okay, you can go through my previous video of the material master. So as of now I am just going through the the stock types we will be discussing. Okay, so that is why I'll just create these things fastly. So I have created the material 5 followed by some zeros 3. This is my material. Now we'll just try to create one PO for this /n ME21N. So just I am going for creation of the PO here. Here we know the vendor 200074 is the vendor. Any vendor we can take. I'll just go to the org data. Here purchasing org is LT01, purchasing group is 000, company code is LT01. I'll take the material as this one, and quantity I'll take 100 materials, and net price we have to give because I have not maintained any PIR and all. I'll just maintain 10 rupees over here. Plant is LT01 and storage location is LT01. Click enter. See, it is asking us to give the currency. I'll just give the currency and proceed further. In the header I have given all these things, but just look into the item details here. Okay, at the item detail, okay, here at the material data, here it will come just a minute. Okay, not here. Delivery. Okay, so in the delivery tab, at the item details, okay, we will going to get a stock type here. Just explain this. Okay, whenever you are considering the stock now, if you are keeping it as a unrestricted use, okay, after that once you are going to post the PO where the stock will going to appear. Okay, I'll just take you to the MMBE, that is the stock overview screen /n MMBE will go. So I'll just take for this particular material, and what is our company plant is LT01 here, and storage location is LT01. I'll just execute for this. See, nothing will be there as of now because we have not ordered any stock. Here you can observe, see here unrestricted use is one particular tab. Here one more thing is there, quality inspection. And if you go further, you can see GR blocked or blocked stock. Okay, here at the last we can see the blocked stock. So like that you will going to get the different types of stocks over here. Basically ours is unrestricted use, quality and the blocked stock. They are the three different stock types in the valuated stock. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just try to create the stock type here now. Okay, what I'll take, we'll just consider the unrestricted use stock. Later on I'm going to create 2 more POs and we're going to select the different things here. Okay, as of now I'll just take the unrestricted use, and I'll just check this PO whether the PO is correct or not. The PO is correct. I'll just post it or save it. So once I'm going to save this PO now, okay, the PO 351 is created. I'll just go back to the stock overview and refresh this screen. You can observe here there are few stocks which are coming under the on order stock. Here at the on order stock will be getting some 100 quantity because we have ordered 100 quantity stocks for a unrestricted use. Okay, we can use them like that. So how we're going to take them, okay, into our warehouse? These are the on order stock. Okay, they are just ordered, nothing is delivered yet. Okay, so how we're going to do it? First I'm going to release this PO. Once we're going to do the GR, that time the stocks will going to move to our company. What I'll do, /n ME29N. okay, I'll just take this. Here I'll give my purchase order number, that is 51. Click enter. This is the one I need to release this purchase order. Okay, I have just released it. I'll just save this PO. Now I'll go to the MIGO screen, /n MIGO. Once you go to the MIGO and here you have to say goods receipt on the purchase order. Click enter. Here 51. This is my material. I'll take all 100 stock. Okay, here also you can change things, but first we'll just look into the PO, then we'll come back to the GR and we can see it. I'll check it. Sorry, I have to mark it as item okay here, and I'll check this and I'll post it now. Okay, so now the document is posted here. Just go to the stock overview and refresh the screen. See, you have the stocks unrestricted use. Okay, you have the stocks into unrestricted use, and now you can issue them to the production system or something else. Okay, so this is one thing. Now what I'll do, I'll create another PO /ME 29N. I'll create another PO here. Now we can create the PO through the previous PO also, means whatever the previous PO was there, I can create through that also. /ME 21N document overview on my purchase orders, put it in the basket. So now we are creating the PO based upon the previous PO. This is our previous PO. Based on that I am creating another PO. But in the delivery, what I will do, I will just change this unrestricted use to quality inspection, and I will just check this. Okay, the things are okay here. I will just post it now. Means I will just save this PO. Once I save this PO, again we will just roll back to the stock overview and we will refresh this. Once I will refresh this 100 stock is available already, but another 100 they are coming in the on order stock. We are ordering this particular stock, but once I am going to do the MI means GR for these stocks, what will going to happen, we will just check it. Again I am going to release this PO. /52 and header, I will go save this data. Once I have released, and I will try to do the Migo for this. Okay, I will say item okay here and check, then I will post it. So once I have posted, another document will going to create here and will going to refresh the screen again. Here just observe that some stocks are there in the unrestricted use and some are coming under the quality inspection, because the PO we have created for that only, and there is no on order stock as we have not ordered any. Now I am going to create one more PO for this /ME 21N. And I will just create the PO based upon the previous PO only. Again just I will going to change in the delivery stock type, I will going to put it as a block, and I will just save it. So once I am going to save it, I need to release this PO. Before that we will just check the stocks, refresh the screen. Again we have ordered 100, it is coming over here. I'll just go here and release the PO /ME 29N to release the PO. See, this is the PO which sorry, this is not the PO. I have to take the 503. This is the PO, I just released it. Just save this PO. Again check the stock overview, sorry, not stock overview. Do the MIGO now. That is GR /MIGO. Year 3. I'll say item okay and I'll check it and post it. Then just check the stock overview tab and refresh it here. See here the 100 is in the unrestricted, 100 in the quality, and now on order stock nothing is there because they have received to a blocked stock. So this is how we're going to see the different stocks types in the SAP MM. These things you can do it in the GR as well. How we will going to do it in the GR? Now I'll just create one more PO here /ME 21N. I'm going to create the one more PO. I'll just create the PO based upon the previous PO again. And I'll just consider these stocks into the unrestricted use. Okay, I'll just consider it here and just save this purchase order. And when you will going to check the stock overview, again you will going to see 100 stocks are there into the on order stock. You can see 100 stocks are there in the on order stock. I will just release this PO /NME 29N. I'll just release this PO. $54. Just save it. I have released the PO. Now I'll do the GR for this. So when I am doing the GR, just observe over here. This is important. Okay, in the fare screen. Okay, in the fare screen, you can observe the stock type again. One is the unrestricted use, that is coming through the movement type 101. I'll just take the quality inspection. Then click enter. Okay, I'm just creating a quality inspection. How much quantity I'll take? I'll just take quantity of around 20 quantity. I'll going to take it to the unrestricted, quality inspection. Just observe here the stock overview. Now I'll just refresh this. We have 100 in the unrestricted use, 100 in the quality, and 100 on order stocks are there, and 100 block stocks are there, and blocked stocks. But now when I am going to create the GR only for 20 quantities for quality stock, where is the quality I have maintained? In the fare I have maintained the quality inspection. Just check this. Okay, deficit of PU purchase order quantity, it is there. That is fine for us, because initial 20 stocks I am moving for the quality. I'll just post them. Once you're going to post this document, you can just refresh the screen. You can observe that in the quality inspection you can see 120 stocks, and on order it is 80 now, and blocked and unrestricted it is 100 and 100. Okay, and now again I'm going to create the one more GR over here /NMIGO on the same purchase order, but now here 80 materials are there. What I will do, all 80 I am not going to take, and the 20 I will just put it in the block now, because they are having the visible, what is that, some damages are there, so that I am just moving them in the moving these 20 stocks into the block now. I will just check this. Okay, I have not ticked the item. Okay, I will just check the item. Okay, check it. Now I will post this also. Now you can observe here, refresh the screen. Here 100 stocks is there in the unrestricted, 120 are there in the quality inspection, 60 are there in the on order stock, and just check the blocked stock, they are around 120 are there. Okay, remaining you can just take it to the unrestricted use, and you can finish this activity. Okay, or else, okay, this is what we're going to see the valuated stock. Okay, whatever the stocks we have seen now, they are nothing but the valuated stock types. Okay, just now we have just seen all the valuated stock types, and we'll be coming across the non-valuated stock types. Okay, what are these non-valuated stock types? Here, whenever you are doing some transaction or a movement of these stocks, there will be no accounting entries will going to hit. Okay, these SAP stock types are not yet owned by the company, even though they are available in the company's premises. For example, let us consider if vendor sends the goods to you, and you can see that some goods are damaged, and you want to return those particular stocks to the vendor. You will not going to receive them into the warehouse, so you will just put them into the blocked stock directly. How we will going to do it? Okay, you can do it in the GR itself. I'll just go to the GR here /NMIGO again. Okay, for this remaining 60 only, we will just try to do this activity. See, 60 stocks are available here. What I'll do, I'll just take this material movement type. Okay, so this movement type I have explained now. Here, just see this 103. What is this 103? Goods receipt for the purchase order into the GR blocked stock. Okay, what I am doing is, the stocks came to our company. Okay, the vendor has processed the stocks and he sent it to the company, but we can see that, okay, some damages are there in the goods, so we can't accept them. Okay, so that time we can just put them into the GR block stock. I'll just double click on this. Okay, 103. And here instead of putting all the 60, what we'll do is we'll just put around 10 stocks here. Okay, just say item okay and check it here. Okay, I am putting into the GR block stock here and I'll just post it. Okay, just check it in the stock overview where the stocks will be available. So these are all okay now. Okay, they are coming into the unrestricted use, and 120 is there in the quality inspection, and on order stock is around 50, and here block stock is there. Okay, so some stocks that should come to the GR block. Okay, sorry, I need to tick the blocked stock. Okay, I have forgot that. We'll do one more time. /migo. Okay, here what I will do, I'll take the same PO because in the fair I have selected what is that unrestricted use only, so I need to take the GR block. Okay, in the fair tab, okay, if you are using 1 or 3 you can't change the tab at all, so then it will be okay, yes, so it might be moving to the GR blocked stocks. Okay, so once the blocked stocks are clear, means they are cleared by the vendor. Okay, these stocks are not good, or else if they are telling no, only few partial damage are there, you can take that, nothing will going to happen if they are convincing. And if you are taking no, then we're going to release that GR blocked stock into the warehouse. Okay, so we're going to use the 105 movement tape and we're going to take them inside our warehouse. So that is how we're going to do the activity over here. Okay, so they are this is all about the stock types in SAP MM, and actually I have just covered the valuated and non-valuated stocks, and some special stocks will be there. Okay, I'll just go to this PPT. Okay, I think you have understood the non-valuated stocks. Now we're going to see some special stock types. Okay, what are these special stock types? Some stocks will be there like subcontracting. I'll anyway coming to these points whenever I'll be going forward into our classes. Okay, subcontracting is one topic, very important topics. Okay, these things we need to cover. And some stocks will be there like a consignment stock, and some will be there in the STO process, that is the stock transfer order, and some stocks will be there at the third party, and some will be there like RTP materials, we're going to call them, that is nothing but the returnable packaging materials, returnable packaging goods. Okay, they are called as a RTP, returnable transport packaging, we're going to call them. And some will be there pipeline materials, pipeline handling, we're going to say. What is this subcontracting is all about? So let us consider you are received one big consignment, or not a consignment, big contract. Okay, in that you are manufacturing something, but assembly it is not happening at your end due to some human or we can say unavailability of the resources. The assembly is not happening at your end. So what you are doing, you are sending those particular parts to some other vendor, and you are making an assembly of those particular parts, and you are taking them back, and later on you will going to put the tag or whatever the logo you want, and you will be sending them to the customers. So if you are doing so, then these stocks will going to means whatever the some partial activity will be giving it for some other person. No, that is why we will going to take it as a subcontracting. Okay, subcontracting will be doing it. Second thing is about this consignment stocks. This is also coming under the what is the special stocks only. What is this consignment means? Sometimes, okay, the vendor will going to bring the stocks to the company. Okay, and he will going to put all the stocks into the company's premises, but the owner of the stock will be vendor only. Okay, why it is like that? Let us consider, you might be aware of the some big bazaar, or else some Reliance stores and all. In the Reliance stores you can see, if you are going to the trends, You can see some of the Nike costumes will be there, some are arrows costumes will be there. There these Nike costumes are belongs to the Nike only until and unless the Reliance store sells them. Okay, if they want to consume those stocks, they have to pay to the Nike, then they are going to consume those stocks. That is how the process will going to take place in the consignment. We are going to discuss them. And STO process will come, that is nothing but the stock transport order. If you want to move the stocks from the one plant to the another plant, or one company code to the another company code, we are going to use this process. Here also we are going to come across like with delivery and without delivery, all these things will come. We'll just check them. And next thing is the third party processing. Okay, here with this third party processing, a customer places an order with a company which is sent to a third party vendor for processing the necessary actions on the products. Okay, so and in that thing is the RTP materials, that is nothing but the returnable transport packaging. Here these returnable transport packaging, some materials will be there, in your home you will be using the LPG gas. Okay, we are paying the amount for the gas within the cylinder, not for the cylinder. So for that the cylinder is a returnable packaging material. If you are buying the eggs in bulk, how the vendor will going to deliver it to you? He will be delivering it to you within the crates. Okay, you are not ordered those crates, but you need to return those crates to the vendor. Okay, once the new consignment will come, that time the previous crates you need to return it to the vendor. You can't take them on your own. So they are called as the returnable transport packaging materials. Okay, next thing is the pipeline handling. Some materials will be there, like if you are using some mechanical industry, means you might be using certain gas welding, or some welding machines will be using, means there also will be using the pipelines for those gas materials. So here also whatever the amount of gas will be using, for that you will be paying the bill. Or else nowadays you can see for water also they have fitted the meter, so how much ever the water will be using, you will be paying the bill. That is the pipeline material. You can see electricity is the pipeline material. So like that we are going to differentiate the stocks in SAP MM. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.